Motor Shop, just hit the site, and you guys don't want to miss out because we're giving away this CR250 right here. Come on now, check out this new product we got. We got everything we need. Bar bags, keychains, grip donuts, koozies, goggles, overalls, hoodies, t-shirts, everything you could ask for. Head over to shopbuttery.com. You won't regret it.
Here it is, 1996 CR250 two-stroke, fully restored, fully rebuilt. This is going to be yours right here. All you got to do is head over to shopbuttery.com and purchase anything that you see on the website, and you're automatically entered in to win that bike right there. And best of all, you're getting quality merch and you're supporting our channel. We appreciate you guys always. Thank you. Let's get back into the video. To possibly a 96 KLX 110, because that's how long it's been since they've updated it.
Yeah, but look at how much it's way sicker with the gray plastic. It looks updated, but don't let it fool you.
2025 KLX 110 Kawasaki. He's staying true to the green.
He's a very loyal rider.
Yeah, he is. Kawasaki all the way, but he's getting ready and training for Pastrana Land that's coming up soon for the KLX 110 race.
Big race.
And you have to be on the Kawasaki, so you figured, might as well get a bike and train for it.
Yeah, I get some training, and these are a little bit different than the Honda. They cut out sometimes, so I just got to be ready for that and just get used to the stock bike, because riding these stock ones kind of hurts the body a little bit.
I bet. And it's carbureted just like that two-stroke.
Exactly. 27
years later, and it's still the same technology.
Well, maybe we can race them.
Here it is, though. He's on the R, not the L. You got to keep it bone stock. We're not even sure
no clutch, no pegs.
What the requirements are, but I noticed there's no pegs at Pastrana's, and hopefully you get forks on it because the stock stuff's gnarly how soft it is.
Yeah, I think it's going to make it fair between everyone, so there's no cheater bikes there.
No cheating. Training starts now. Wouldn't be a vlog without bike work, huh? It needs to be backed off, because when it's all the way against the rim like that and you hit the rear brake, so you immediately rip the valve stem out and give it a flat tire. So we got brand new bar bags here that are about to hit the site. New and improved, updated versions. We've sold these in the past. They're pretty legit, and then we made them even better. Upgraded the zipper. It's all waterproof. And then inside as well, we got a different pouch and a separator. Thicker material. You can mount that right up. Normally we'd run these on our big bikes, and you can run it on fat bar or crossbar, but also you could run on the 110 as well, like we got the setup here. The triple strap right across the foam like that, and then look, boom. Phone drops in. If you had something else you wanted to throw a little separator in there too. Eli got new bar bags as well. He's got a gray one here.
It matches my bike.
To the T, perfect.
Wasn't even planned, but some things in life are just meant to happen, right?
Oh yeah.
You do one up top, two on the bottom, or you do two up top, one on the bottom?
Well, you got the different variations, so
What's
you can kind of just like configure it the way you think's gonna work best. I haven't done one on a 110 in a while.
Me too. These are some tall bars, but we're gonna figure this out. Give it a little
Different
shake
configuration here. He's got one up top, two on the bottom.
down. That thing ain't going anywhere.
No, it's not going anywhere, that's for sure. This thing's pretty dialed in. Even this one is just holding on. Like I said, you could set this up for anything. You could run it even on a hog if you wanted to. Shopbuttery.com, coming soon. These I'm super hyped about right here. The Buttery Havoc collab goggle. It's the first prototype right here, but these things will also be available on the site soon. Check it out. The white fade to black Subaru scheme with the Buttery strap right on the back. And you could Velcro this and move it to anywhere you want. And then Havoc branded on both sides as well, but the black and white's clean, goes with anything. This actually matches my graphic kit to the T. Walking the white frame with the gold lens. These things will be coming out soon. Be on the lookout. Fresh new merch on. Don't mind the GoPro mount here. I'm working on something new. This is a prototype as well with the zip ties there. And then the new goggles. Oh, they're hitting just right. I'm gonna hit the ditches and then head up to the mountain bike jumps and then head all the way to the beach and see how far we can make it.
Let's go. Hopefully I got enough gas.
We'll hit a gas station if not.
Gas up. 5.
519?
Now that's heavy. Welcome to
Damn.
California.
Newsom's bending us over. Here we go. One of our favorite rides right here, local Oceanside. Right down by the beach. Cops are always pretty chill. All the locals are always pretty cool. Cops are pretty cool. This area's nostalgic. People that grew up here riding dirt bikes. Still in the culture of Oceanside. Right here, done a lot of bike shoots, different wheelie content, urban rides, big bikes, little bikes. Come through this tunnel, might be the Pookie Palace. You never know what you're gonna see. Yeah, boys. Hello. Have a good one. Yo, when has there been so much water down here? And it hasn't rained in so long?
Hit.
They got it backed up so it doesn't come in their zone. We have an urban jump right here where you drop down and go over the guardrail, but you can't even hit it. Spinning. The chain shins are just spinning. Nailed it. Uh-oh, now I'm spinning. Oh! Front brake don't work. No trespassing. Penal code 602. I've gotten a couple of those in my life. Means I wasn't running fast enough. Nice out, huh?
Oh yeah. Not too hot, not too cold.
Beautiful Oceanside, California. Camp Pendleton. Keeping us safe. Shout out Trump. Yeah! Right into a downhill run. Damn. Putting concrete boulders. That's new. I only have a rear brake too. No front brakes is kind of sketch. My rear barely works. Ooh! Hangs onto it. Yeah! A little dry, don't matter, still fun. Dust is pretty low. Oh, he takes the right line.
I thought there was a weenie, but it was just a bush.
Right here. You blew off the course, bud. Feels good hitting jumps again. It's been a long time. My forks are blown, but popping. Damn, my brake's so sketch. This run's so fun. It's been here for years. Looks like they've been maintaining it too, adding new features. This turning jump's kind of big. This next one right here, he's got to pin it if he wants it. Oh, both kind of cased it. Poison Oak. I'm staying in it. He missed the turn, I'm going for it. This is the double black diamond line. Yeah! Straight into this berm. Hold it wide. Hopefully no mountain bikers are coming. Watch out for a gate. Whoa! Yes, sirski. Locals are hyped. It's a bike path now. Towards the beach. Which way is the beach? Famous 5 freeway exit right here into Oceanside. It's been shut down for years now. It's just a historic landmark. Make a wheelie all the way around the bridge. It's like Daytona style. It's off camber and it's turning. It's full NASCAR. Turning left. All the way up to the 5 North. If there was an earthquake, this whole thing would come down. Downhill one's even more technical, turning right. It's so steep, video don't do justice. Get good roll speed. Back brakes are barely working. Here's the void. Alright, if you guys watch the Netflix show Animal Kingdom and you guys know anything about that, this is where they meet up underneath the bridge on the other side of the water down here. All the way on the other side over there. That's when they meet up with Mr. Chow to rob the brother of the LA mansion house for all the diamonds. You! beautiful Oceanside. Damn. Sickest ever. Look at this. Ride your dirt bike straight down to the beach, down to the waves. It's like surfer cross all over again.
Oh, waves are firing.
Yeah, they are. They're actually ripping right now. It's a little stormy conditions. Normally you go north or south side pier, but this is a good surf zone right here. They're decent size, but they're not holding good shape.
I could get barrels out of the surfboard.
You think? You should put a surfboard rack on the side of your 110.
Not a bad idea. Waves look decent.
A little stormy.
Wonder again, Scott.
Sailboat headed to Catalina. A flight coming from Hawaii to LAX over here. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
He's getting it. Planes flying, dogs running. California, don't get better than this. The rubies at the end of the pier was lit on fire on purpose, and the deconstruction of it would be easier. It's all propaganda. Don't believe anything you see on the news. Getting the perfect IG angle.
It looks like I'm in Hawaii right now with this sunset.
You're about to be in Hawaii.
Aloha, yes! Oh, Sylvia's falling over.
My bike's falling over. The wet sand, it doesn't like it. There we go.
Come on, buddy.
Ooh, smacks the lip. Pa, so pitted. Oh yeah. Look at that Oceanside sign, and you pull up right here. The seals are going crazy. The mating call. Look at all these guys. They're barking for the sunset. Ooh! Water dogs. He's out of here. You don't want the smoke. Look at this guy. He's got pink eye. Oh, poor dude. Gotta go over there and pop that thing for him. Oh, just jumping off. Look at it. You got a shark bite. You see that? up, man? How you doing?
Let's go.
You! I got fleas or chiggers or something, bro.
All in a day's work.